Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are in the beautiful community of Cross Creek Ranch, located in Fulshire, Texas. This beautiful home that we're viewing is built by Chesmar Homes. It is called the Hillcrest. Now, the Hillcrest is a little over 2,000 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, and the starting price is going to be in the low $400,000 range. Now, this particular community is zoned to two different school districts, so in case you were wondering, the zone districts are Katy ISD, Lamar Consolidated ISD. So the schools that this home actually is going to be zoned to is going to be in the Lamar Consolidated ISD district. Those schools are going to be Huggins Elementary, Robinson Middle School, Dean Junior High, and Fulshire High School. Now, if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new community tours around the Houston metropolitan area. And if you don't know who I am Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. So make sure you do leave a comment below to let me know what you think about this home, this builder, or this community, or just any other real estate questions, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Now sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of the tour.